photographers. Hello, hope you're doing good. If you're a photographer, you know that managing client relationships, keeping track of booking, and handling your business can be overwhelming. But having the right CRM or better yet customer relationship management software can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll break down the best CRMs for photographers so you can find the perfect tool to help you stay organized, improve your workflow, and keep your clients happy. Let's dive in. At number 1, we have HoneyBook, and I would say that HoneyBook is best for streamlined workflow. If you're looking for an all-in-one CRM that will help you handle everything from booking to payments, HoneyBook is a fantastic choice. HoneyBook offers client management, so you'll be able to store all client information, contracts, invoices, and communication in one place. They also offer automated workflows. With their automated workflows, HoneyBook helps you create automated workflows to streamline your process, like sending contracts or reminders. You can also manage client appointments, send invoices, and collect payments all through the platform. While they also offer customizable templates, using their ready-made templates for proposals or contracts and emails allow you to save time and maintain professionalism. The only pullback that I would say with HoneyBook is some photographers feel that HoneyBook pricing is a bit on the higher side, especially for solo photographers just starting out. And I would say right here, their pricing is a bit expensive if you're just starting out, as their monthly plan will be $19 per month, and it goes up to a premium of $79 per month, depending on the amount of features that you want. And second in line would be StudioNinja, and I would say that StudioNinja is best for photography specific, and second in line is StudioNinja, and I would say that StudioNinja is best for photography. StudioNinja is designed specifically for photographers and offers a clean, easy-to-use platform for managing clients and workflows. Their intuitive client dashboard makes it easy to manage client details, keep track of booking statuses, and set up reminders for meetings or shoots. Also, their online booking portal makes it clients Also, their online booking feature allows clients to directly book through your calendar, and it syncs seamlessly with your schedule. Invoice and payment tracking. You'll be able to send invoices, track payments, and even set up automatic reminders for overdue payments. And they also have customizable contracts. StudioNinja lets you create custom contracts and get them signed online by clients. The only pullback that I would say with StudioNinja is, while it's packed with photography-specific features, the interface might take a little time to get used to if you are new to CRM software. And their pricing, as you can see right here, their pricing starts off at $16 per month and it goes up to $40 per month. And third on the list will be 17 Hats, and I would consider it the best for beginners. If you are just getting started and need a simple yet powerful CRM for photographers, 17 Hats is a great option. Their task management feature keeps track of all tasks. Their task management feature will allow you to keep track of all the tasks you need to complete for each client, from sending proposals to following up on shoots. Also, their automated scheduling. 17 Hats allows clients to book sessions directly through their website. With their automated scheduling. 17 Hats allows clients to book sessions directly through your website, which automatically syncs with your calendar. And their invoice and quote generation. You'll be able to quickly generate quotes and invoices that look professional and easy to read. And they also offer a client portal that is built in, so you'll be able to use their email templates to help you communicate efficiently with your clients. The only pullback that I would say with 17 Hats is Some users feel that 17 ads could use more advanced reporting features for tracking finances and performance, and if we should look at their pricing. While you can get started with their 7-day free trial, their basic plan starts off at $13 per month and it goes up to $50 per month. And number 4 on our list is Dubsado, and I would consider it best for custom workflows. Dubsado is an incredible customizable CRM that's perfect for photographers who like to tailor their workflows to their business needs. With their custom workflows, Dubsado allows you to create workflows that automate the entire process, from initial contact to post-shoot follow-ups. Also, their contract and form management. You will be able to easily send contracts, questionnaires, and forms to clients and get them signed online. And they also have a client portal. Your clients have their own portal where they can view invoices, contracts, and details about their projects. And it also integrates with other tools. Dubsado in fact integrates well with Google Calendar, Zapier, and other tools to make managing your business even easier. The only pullback that I would say with Dubsado is because of the amount of features that it has, there may be a slight learning curve if you're just getting started. So it might take some time to get used to everything, but once you do, you will definitely enjoy this platform. And if we should look at their pricing, you can see right here, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan will start off at $20 per month and it goes up to $40 per month. And the last but definitely not least is Zoho CRM, and I would consider it best for advanced users. With Zoho CRM, you will get customization like no other. If you are looking for a powerful CRM that can grow with your business, Zoho CRM is an excellent choice. First on their list is their advanced analytics. Zoho CRM offers in-depth analytics and reports so you can track the success of your photography business. They also offer customizable features. For example, you can fully customize the CRM to fit your needs, from fields to workflow automations and scheduling. You'll be able to automate email tasks. You can also set up reminders to keep your workflow moving smoothly. And when we talk about integration, it integrates with tons of other tools, so you can manage everything from social media to marketing. The only pullback that I would say when it comes onto Zoho CRM is it is a bit more complex than the other options, which make it overwhelming for new users. So, in conclusion, which CRM is best for you? I would recommend that you go with HoneyBook if you're looking for an all-in-one solution to manage clients, payments, and projects. And on the other hand, I would recommend that you go with StudioNinja, as it is a fantastic tool for photographers who want an easy-to-use CRM with photography-specific features. And I would recommend 17 apps as perfect for beginners who need a simple, affordable tool to manage their workflows. And on the other hand, Dubsado is ideal for photographers who want advanced customization and automation options, better yet. And Zoho CRM is the best for those who need highly customizable CRM with in-depth reporting and analytics. So choosing the right CRM can help you save time and organize. So, in conclusion, choosing the right CRM can help you save time, stay organized, and give your clients a more professional experience. The best CRM for you will depend on your needs. Whether you're a solo photographer or a large team, there's a tool out there for you. So pick the one that best suits your workflow and start using it to streamline your business today. Hope you found this tutorial helpful on the best CRM for your photography business.